All right, we want to find the missing sides of this particular triangle, this right triangle. First thing to recognize is that it's a 30, 60, 90. So it's a special right triangle. And we know that for 30, 60, 90s, our side ratios are going to be 1 to root 3 to 2. So if I take the side that's opposite the 30-degree angle and multiply it by root 3, I'll get the side that's opposite the 60-degree angle. If I take the side that's opposite the 30 and multiply it by 2, I get the hypotenuse. So let's go ahead and use those relationships. So what do we know here? What we know is that 8 is the side that's opposite the 30-degree angle. So if I take 8 and multiply it by root 3, I get the side that's opposite the 60-degree angle, which happens to be V. So we can leave it just like that. We don't need our calculator. Leave it in terms of the simplified radical. And we're done with V. Now I need to find U. In order to find U, I take the side that's opposite the 30-degree angle, which is 8, and I just multiply by 2, and that gives me the hypotenuse, or in this case, U. So 16 equals U. Nice and easy. We're done.